How you doing this week? So today's video is going to be a little bit short. It kind of came to me because I was at work talking to a friend of mine, and we were discussing cooking, and I love to cook, and I also love steak. Who doesn't, right? Except for the vegans. No, plain. So I told him I always cook my steaks in an air fryer, and he was like, I'd never thought to cook a steak in an air fryer. And I was like, man, it's my favorite way. So he was like, you know, you're doing that YouTube thing. Maybe you could make a video and show how to make one. So I thought, hey, why not? It's as good as idea as any. So here we go. Let's go to the kitchen. Step 1. Open the steak. Step 2. Season the steak. Step 3. Set the air fryer. 400 degrees, 20 minutes. Step 4. Place the steak in the air fryer.
A few moments later.
Flip steak.
A few moments later.
Step 6. Remove steak. Let cool for 10 minutes. Step 7. Cut the steak and enjoy. That's a good steak. And that's it. Pretty simple, right? Now, the thing about it is you've got to get the timing down. I like mine a little bit medium rare, a little more towards the medium than rare. So I will do mine approximately 7 minutes on each side. If you like yours rare, of course you adjust the time. The one step I did notice that I missed was when you season the steak, it's best to put a little bit of Pam spray, some kind of aerosol oil. Not heavy, just light, just enough to give it a little bit of a browning and a crisp. But all in all, my favorite way to eat a steak. If you've got a grill handy and it's already, you're grilling chicken or something, and you want to give it a little char, cook it in the air fryer, then throw it on the grill for about 30 seconds each side. Perfect steak. Perfect. Well, hope you enjoyed it. See you again next week. And hey, while you're at it, if you haven't done it yet, throw this video a like. Maybe subscribe. We're just going to cover all kinds of stuff, and if you ain't subscribed, you might not know what we're talking about. So, have a good week.